Hey there, welcome back to Inspire Ignite. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you. Picture this, a world where you're making over $600 daily, and all you're doing is watching ads. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Because this isn't a far-off fantasy, it's an achievable reality. So sit back, relax, and prepare to have your mind blown. Well, stick around because I'm about to reveal exactly how you can turn that dream into reality in 2024. First things first, let me grab your attention. We're living in an era where the hustle and bustle of traditional 9-to-5 jobs can feel like a never-ending cycle. You're constantly racing against time, trying to fulfill responsibilities, and at the end of the day, you might find yourself questioning, is it really worth it? The paycheck that you receive often doesn't seem to justify the time and energy you put in. You're barely scraping by, living paycheck to paycheck, with little left for savings or splurging on things you love. This struggle of making ends meet is a common story for many. Now imagine a world where you can earn a comfortable income without the rigid schedules and exhaustive routines. A world where you can earn from the comfort of your home or while sitting at your favorite coffee shop. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you there's a better way? Here comes the solution. In the digital age we're living in, online advertising is king. Companies, big and small, are willing to pay top dollar for consumer feedback on their ads. This is where your opportunity to make money comes in. Think about it. Every time you watch an ad and provide your valuable feedback, you're helping these companies improve their marketing strategies. They need your perspective, your opinion, and they're willing to pay for it. This is not about selling products or services. It's about watching and analyzing. You don't need any special skills or equipment for this. As long as you have a device with internet access, you're good to go. Spend as much or as little time as you want and watch your earnings grow. By simply watching and providing feedback on ads, you can earn a substantial income from the comfort of your own home. Imagine that, making money while sipping your morning coffee or lounging on your couch. Now that's a solution worth exploring. Still skeptical? Let me show you some real proof. We've got real people just like you who've turned this opportunity into a life-changing reality. Take Sarah, for example. A recent grad burdened with student loans, she was stuck in a job she didn't love. Then she discovered this method. Now she's making over $600 a day just by watching ads. Or consider John, a retiree looking for a way to supplement his pension. He's now earning more than he ever did during his 9-to-5 years. And they're not alone. There are countless others who've leveraged the power of online advertising to their advantage, earning substantial income right from the comfort of their homes. Their stories will inspire you and prove that this method is not only legitimate, but also incredibly lucrative. So, what's the next step? It's simple. You've got a golden opportunity knocking at your door, and now it's time to seize it. Right below this video, you'll find a link. That's your gateway to a comprehensive guide that's been designed to help you navigate the ins and outs of making money online by watching ads in this year, 2024. This isn't some exclusive club that's out of your reach. It's an opportunity that's available to anyone and everyone. Whether you're an early bird who's up with the dawn, or a night owl who thrives when the moon is high, this is a chance for you to break free from the traditional confines of a 9-to-5 job and earn money on your own terms. Perhaps you're a student seeking to pay off your tuition fees or save up for that dream trip. Maybe you're a stay-at-home parent looking to contribute to the family income without sacrificing precious time with your children. Or you could be someone who's just tired of the rat race and wants to seize control of your financial future. Regardless of where you're coming from, this opportunity is for you. So don't hesitate. Don't let this moment pass you by. Click on the link in the description and step towards a future where you can make over $600 a day just by watching ads. Don't wait any longer. Take action today and start earning $600 a day watching ads.